Hey all, welcome to Grow Billionaire. This is your own Raghu bringing you another exciting video where you will definitely start making money after you learn and master it. Now, please do not skip the video until the end because my promise is if you're not going to make money after watching this video, I will quit trading. All right. So you have to take 10 trades and you come and comment and share your trades that you were not able to trade watching this video and you were not able to learn anything, then I will quit trading. That's my promise to you. All right. Now, quickly, uh, hope you all know trend. Trend is your friend. You have heard all these things, right? Now, quickly to understand what you see is we have a Bank Nifty chart, and all these are 20 period simple moving average. Yes, all of them. Now, this is daily. The blue one is 5 minutes time frame. The orange one is 15 minutes time frame. The red one is hourly time frame. Let me quickly show you. See, this is set to chart. MA moving average one is 20, right? I'm using moving average one. This is set to chart. This is blue. Now this is, you can easily watch here, 15 minutes, orange, 20 period simple moving average. This is 60 minutes, 20 period simple moving average. And this is daily. 20 period daily. All right. Now, why we need so many moving averages on a chart? Now, just to help you understand, if you're a new trader, the professional traders or little advanced traders already know what I'm talking about. But if you're a new trader, usually market follows main trend. Now, suppose what is the main trend on this chart? The main trend is, if assuming that we are using only 20 period simple moving average for trading. Now, this is the main trend. Price is above the daily 20 period simple moving average, and we need to consider it is in uptrend. But suppose if you're trading on 5 minutes time frame, does this really matter? Think. Market is coming down. Daily trend is up, but market is coming down. So it does not matter. So what is the right time frame if you are taking trades on 5 minutes? Now, historically, based on the professional traders advice and various books, everything. So usually a trader watches 2 to 3 time frames. Right. So suppose I'm taking a trade on 5 minutes time frame, then I will try to follow the 15 minutes main trend, and then hourly main trend. Suppose if you are taking trades on hourly time frame, then you will be watching daily time frame or weekly time frame as the what you call main trend. You understand? So it is very, very important what you trade and what kind of tools you need for any kind of what you call trading, depending upon your time frame. In a simple way is like you're going for a battle. All right, is it a guerrilla warfare? Is it an all-out attack, or is it a sniper attack? What kind of tools you need for each warfare? It matters a lot in trading, guys. Right now, without wasting time, let's go ahead to our strategy. Hope you understand. Now, similarly, if you come to hourly time frame, see here, this is 5 minutes. This is 15 minutes. Now 15 minutes is in downtrend. So market opens gap up, but price goes down. So I can take a trend based on 15 minutes trend line. It is orange downside. So on 5 minutes, I can capture the money. I can take the money. Even hourly time frame is downtrend. So I should be looking only to short to make the money. Watch here. Now suppose this is uptrend. Now hourly time frame price is above hourly time frame. The orange is 15 minutes and 5 is 20, I mean 5 minutes. Blue is 5 minutes. Now above 5 minutes, so everything is in uptrend. Look only to buy. Now when the 15 price is between 15 and hourly, right? So you need to pick a choice here. Either you have to wait when all 3 time frame changes one direction, or follow the intermediate trend. So we are trading on 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is below 15 minutes. Okay, I will take a trade on short side because my intermediate trend is downside. So you will filter out the hourly time frame. So if all are aligned, this is a very strong trend. Now this is a weak trend. That's the reason here. It comes, you can scalp, and then again pulls back. This is a range. If you just simply follow, it is a range. So you need to understand when to how to identify a strong trend or when to go scalping. So when the price is in between the intermediate trend and main trend, then you will adapt scalping. Now these things you need to remember, make a note. When everything is in one direction, you can take high risk, increase your lot size and go. Remember, we are trading in options, right? Bitcoins, options, currencies, they are high risk, high liquidity. So these things will help you. See here, everything, it's gap up, but still market goes in one direction even after sharp fall above 15 minutes. Main trend is up, intermediate trend is up, price is going up, right? So you can use this along with pivots. So I want to follow only this, so I will follow pivots. Okay, go ahead, be my guest, follow pivots. And using pivots, above R1 is strong trend above, so you can use these secret of a multi-time frame of hourly, 15 minutes and 5 minutes on intraday trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty or cryptocurrencies. Understood? So far clear? Take this as strategy number one, how you can identify the main trend, intermediate trend, and take trades on 5 minutes. Simple, one strategy done. Now let me quickly walk you through to another strategy which I wanted to tell you. Now this is based on trend analysis. Now remember, if you guys go for trading view, there are a lot of trading which indicators available. And there was one interesting trading view indicator which was very simple to use, based on the same strategy which I shared. This is nothing but the KKR indicator. Now where is TTK? Sorry, TTK indicator. See this one, trend trader current. Okay, so you need to go for this trend trader current. Now remember, if you go to the web, now this was a premium indicator where he was charging a monthly subscription on subscription basis, right? There were a lot of videos on this. It is his hard work. He came up with a strategy. He explained his people how to use this. He came up. I have got no issues with that. But now it is available for free. You can use this. Now here, if you come here, you have what is the main trend, whatever I told you, right? In the main trend, you can set usually by default you will have 5 minutes. See the thinner line of red and blue are 5 minutes. Now out of this you can set this as a main trend. So I have put hourly time trend here. The thick red lines are hourly, and then I'm using another main trend for 15 minutes, hourly, 15 minutes and 5 minutes. We are not using anything. Hope you understand. Hope you so far with me without losing anything, right? Now with the same strategy, what I explained. Now this is the most simplest strategy which I use. Now I'll add 5 EMA as well, so that I want a strong momentum on this, and then I will trade here, right? This is my 5 EMA. Above 5 EMA, I have shared a lot of strategies. Now I follow, secret of pivot boss, price action, the decision making candles which I explained. So those will give me an instant buy sell signal. Now in this, I also want to tell you that when you select this, I am not adding these shapes. Now if you add shapes, you will get this buy sell indicators. I'm not going for buy sell indicator. I have removed the shapes. Now what I am interested here is, this is the 5 minutes trading time frame, the small lines, the maroon and the blue. The maroon and blue lines are the 15 minutes time frame. Similarly, the thicker lines are hourly time frame. Have I made it enough thick? 1 minute. This is hourly. Okay, I can make it even more thicker. Wait. No, sorry, not this one, not this one, this one, this one. Yeah, I have made it enough thick. Right. Hope it is not confusing. The thick lines, just follow thick lines. I mean, there's a reason why I have kept it of a similar color, so that visually you know when to buy, right? Now in this, we are not waiting for any particular buy and sell signal. Remember guys, now all the indicators are lagging. Now some people tell, if all the indicators are lagging, I don't want to use indicators. Then why do we have so many indicators? Now this is where the secret comes in. Now all the indicators are lagging because these indicators derive data from the market, which means market has to be moved ahead, and then these indicators pull the data and plot the lines. All right, now that's the reason price action is supreme. So I'm quoting here, price action is supreme. Now, assuming you have a little bit of knowledge of pivots and price action, everything, this is not a prerequisite, but what I'm telling here is without waiting for any buy sell signal, whenever these lines gets breached, irrespective of their color, right? We are going to take the trade. Remember, red means sell, the main trend is downside. Blue means the main trend is upside. Got it? So that is all you need to understand. Now, what are we going to trade? Now, remember, this is the CPR. Now we have a descending CPR. This was Friday. Now on this descending CPR, the main trend, the hourly trend is red. It is clearly red. Yes, it is a gap up, green bar. Do you want to go and buy on this immediately after first 5 minutes? No. What have I told you? Now add the first 15 minutes initial balance to it. Now just for your understanding, I'm telling. Usually what happens is on this trend, if the first candle low is broken, it is a valid trade because we want the least stop loss and we want to catch the tops and bottoms in any market to make maximum money. So, all right, now this shaded region is first 15 minutes, the initial balance where bulls and bears are fighting. The balance is broken, but before the balance is broken, you already know this is the central CPR range. Market is in downside because this is a descending CPR. The pivots are telling you this day market can go down. On this day, when you put a trend line, you know the main trend of hourly trend is down. We are not worried about one day. Remember, guys, because if you want to follow daily trend, then your trading time frame will be on hourly basis, which means you will enter a trade, wait for entire full hour, and it can also be positional, right? So we are not going for daily trend. We are intraday traders. The hourly 15 minutes is enough for you. Now hourly is red and 15 minutes is maroon. The dark maroon is red, which means trend is down and our initial balance is broken downside. Immediately when this red bar breaks, you can enter, scalp the money, forget it. Now you know this is S1. S1 is a support. Now usually if you understand the pivots, where would the buyers try to enter in any kind of market? Usually in an uptrend, yes, the price usually gets bought at S1, but in general, we are trading in options because the contracts ends on weekly basis and hourly basis. So it always keeps moving irrespective of the main trend. So always S1 and R1 is where we have the responsive traders, means people who are price sensitive will be trading. So they find, okay, price is less, let me buy so that I can make some money, right? It's a value area. So S1 is a buying zone. I don't want to spend more time. If you are not aware of it, please do watch all my pivot videos so that you can master and make money. So it is a support. It is acting as a support. Now, do you want to buy here? Now, suppose if you are a price action trader, now you will see, okay, market is stuck in this range. And if you remember on Telegram, I had called out. Now the range is broken, you have more money. Now this is the beauty of here. Now this range, see, this is the 5 minutes, this is 15 minutes, this is hourly. Yes, hourly is red now, but the moment price comes back and breaks upside from the bottom, see, 5 minutes turns blue first, 15 minutes is also blue, hourly is red. Do not bother. The moment the candle breaches, take it. This line will act as support. The 15 minutes will act as support. Go ahead and scalp your money, right? So we are not waiting for any signal. Watch another one. This is also a descending CPR. So a day before, when the market closed on 13 July, this can be plotted, right? You have CPR by KGS. If you follow, you have show tomorrow's pivots. If you put tomorrow's pivots, we can identify the next day CPR. So the next day CPR, you already market bias based on price action is telling that market can go down because of ascending CPR. On this particular day, market opens near previous day low. These green dots are previous day low. This is shaded region is first 15 minutes high and low, initial balance. Now this is the main trend. Now here, after this sideways candle, this candle breaks the main trend. Now I would like to enter here. I want to scalp the points till CPR, if you know how CPR works. Otherwise, you wait for a price action because main trend is down and this is an opening. This is still an opening. I will wait. Think I will wait until the intermediate trend and the 5-minute trend changes, right? This should be your thing. So wait, see, this is the morning star and the candle breaks the 5 minutes with this big red candle, and this candle, the 5 minutes changes red. So you know main trend is down, descending CPR, enter. Keep the stop loss at the high of the day and ride the bandwagon. Once everything's changes one color, you have a strong trend going your way. One trend, is this enough? Using the initial balance here, initial balance first broke upside, but the mean revision happened. But you need not wait for mean revision of the first 15 minutes low to be broken. You can enter even after the low. You have this much amount of money, but the main trend is telling you, the CPR and main trend, that what is the day today. It's a very simple, same thing. This is the same thing. Now this is the main trend. The hourly 20 period is the main, hourly 20 period red is main trend. Now this orange is intermediate trend. The blue is 5 minutes trend. The price below intermediate trend and the blue line, ride the wave, ride the wave. Simple. Two strategies, whichever you are comfortable, you can use. So this, the main trend is up, the intermediate trend is up, first candle, boom, above R1 is a breakout. You know it's a breakout. So just enter, ride the wave. Do not bother, just ride the wave. This is another secret I'm sharing, how to read and master. If you feel this is fine, follow this as well. See here, main trend is red. Market first 15 minutes balance broken, intermediate trend, main trend 5 minutes with this candle is red. For 2 hours market goes sideways, but you know the intermediate trend is acting as resistance below CPR. This is previous day low, acting as support. Once it's broken, one side direction, scalp. This is Bank Nifty, guys. See here, main trend is blue, intermediate trend is red. Do not bother, the main trend is blue, right? So here, this is where in real-time market you will get confused while using, but when you have the pivot knowledge, you can understand. The first candle breaks the CPR, it is near R1. Above R1 is what? Breakout. It works equally well in candle pivots. Above R4 candle has breakout, below S4 is breakout. See here, and then all three are red. Just wait, do not go short, because the trend is up and market goes up. Now, whenever price is in between like this is the intermediate trend, this is the main trend. What did I tell you? You have only scalping or sideways. So you know, see, this is the first 15 minutes. First 15 minutes opened above R2. So most of the times, if you're seeing our Telegram channel, I have told you several times, see, whenever price opens a big gap up above R2, above R3, majority times more than 65%. Now I'm very fond of the 65%. Yes, 65 to 70% market tends to go sideways. With trend, you will not go short. So this will keep you looking in one particular direction where you have a high probability. See here, big gap up, but this is slightly above R1. So first 15 minutes for entire half of the day till 12 o'clock goes sideways, but you will not think short, because I have told you initial balance is very strong to break, and you have a main trend, intermediate trend, and the ongoing 5 minutes trend is upside. You go take money. Now this short, I am not interested, right? It's called as contrarian trading, going against the trend. I'm not a big fan of going against the trend, because we are trading in options, and in options we have option Greeks and a lot of other probabilities playing. I would like to see, this is my morning star, reversal pin bar. Yes, this green bar break the intermediate trend, immediately enter. Do not mix anything here, because say for example, oh, I will be super smart, I will add an EMA. Let me add EMA, 20 period EMA. Now this trend works, I have back tested. Now when you add 20 period EMA, it may confuse more, because 20 period EMA is used in different contexts. If you're comfortable using EMA or MA, moving averages, I don't care. Both are same in, because trading is all about probability, right? You can watch hourly, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 5 EMA. This works equally good. Hope this video was helpful. Please do share your comments and love or even the criticism. I'm more than happy to receive everything in a constructive manner and bring out more videos like this. Thanks a lot. Have a good day, guys.